Lucky and Lil Yachty. I don't care. We going back to gaming soon. Just gotta get the reactions out. Wait. Lil Yachty and Lucky? Wait, what? Why does he say Gunna? Why'd they drop 2? Oh my god. It's like Candyland.
Hey. You don't love me like you say you did. The niggas who scream they don't like just got caught without it. If it's my time to go, make sure I die with some class. These niggas like these hoes sticking trackers up their ass. I see a bitch I had hang around the store, I laugh. You catch a hoe with us, she bound to probably go out bad. You probably hear these hoes, I know these hoes make niggas mad. I can't go out my way, she'll find another, I can't bite the bait. 14-5 for a crate real quick and says when do the face. I ain't beef when I rap, I got shit to do. 5 for a crate real quick and says when do the face.
1 of 1? Oh my. And that's is that Levi X Chrome? A 1 of 1? You? I've been great, bro. Coolin'. I'm still editing this vlog, but it's gonna get out soon.
I ain't beef when I rap, I got shit to do. If you see me in this up and gonna do what you gonna do. I'm fucking on this bitch like I ain't fucked the whole year. My closet big as tears, I got so rich she bring me tears. I look at all my peers like if I got it then you got it. I look at both my parents like I'm grateful that y'all fuck. My daughter said to me, Daddy, I hate when you ain't up. I sleep all through the day like night, the demons keep me up. That bitch ain't worth $1, I'll try racks to Oregon Ducker. And turn his back on me by next Friday, he Chris Tucker. Solid nigga, got more strikes than sis.
That was fire visuals just now.
Turn his back on me by next Friday.
That's fire right there.
Friday, he Chris Tucker. Solid nigga, got more strikes than sis sucker. I shoot at my ex-mother if she going, I'ma fuck across me. Ain't no going back, stuck forever. I don't need you, that's just like I got amnesia. Never knew you, never seen you. Black shades, black limousine. Black gun, black magazine. Having fun with it, I'm a king. Die hard fiend for the Alina. I don't wanna make no bitch daddy. I don't wanna make no bitch little brother happy. I don't sell drugs.
I don't know how I feel about Lil Yachty mumble rapping.
I ain't in the working magic. No forgetting weird bitches lit, I keep matches. If you switch and you die, be happy. She don't wanna border like I told her I'm not a pappy. Them hoes on my own lie me, I wanna fuck them anyway. I'm rich as hell, you think I care about your situation?
Okay. I mean, here's something, Lucky. What the fuck?
Gus.
Hey, I got money, I got bitches that'll kill for me.
Yeah.
Said I miss her, she said, nigga, please.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna diss him, he could deal.
I'm not gonna lie. Oh, that was tough. I'm not gonna lie. I just want to get my ears double pierced. I want to get my shit double pierced. I ain't gonna lie. That shit look wavy.
He gon' sell out of the car.
Stay tuned in. Yes, sir. We alive tonight.
G23 a plastic pistol, blue TIP. He gon' sell out of the concert with B.I.G. G23 a plastic pistol, blue TIP. Nigga leave one of these shots at the can. Can't be fuck with it, I'm glow gang, Chris gang home team. That my sneaky shit, she love me for the wrong thing. That my sneaky shit, I never heard her phone ring. I got divas, I got strippers, son, both of these. You can take it however you want, but that's what it's supposed to mean. 4G autos on the track, but it's not a home thing. Niggas think they got plot armor, but the show keep going.
Yes.
I got knives all in my bag, only feel it if you so.
Yes.
I got paid a blow for days, niggas in a way. Yeah.
Okay.
I got paid a blow for days, niggas in a way. Hey. And I put her by the ocean, these niggas say I'm boasting. I did it by myself, a nigga wish he could've rolled it. Lot of cash tune, this shit way bigger than motion. Took that hoe a broom, she a witch and she know it. I bought another space just to drive it like it's stolen. I'm balancing relationship, my bitch okay to program. Lot of cash tune, this shit way bigger than motion. Living what I read on the paper that I wrote it like. Hey,
Oh my fucking god. Not gonna lie, Yachty. Tune carried. Tune carried, gang. He carried. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's Lucky's song. Get that thumbnail. Hey. Tune ver. I get at like that's like a 8.9 right there. That's 8.5. Tough.